Hello, TC Computers 29 here. Today I'll be unboxing the Gigabyte 990FXA-UD3. Okay, let's start with the box. Here we have our I/O shield, 2 SATA cables, another 2, SLI bridge, multilingual installation guidebook, Dolby digital home theater sticker, Gigabyte sticker, manual with the driver disc, and the board itself. Okay, just put that in the box, and here it is. Okay, just taking it out, and here's a little close look what it looks like. 3-way crossfire, 116 times, PCI 16 here, 4 here, and 4 here. It's got nice south bridge heatsink and nice north bridge heatsink, and a VRM heatsink. It's got 4-channel DDR3 RAM slots, socket AM3 HD 3.0, solid capacitors, and yeah. So this is what the motherboard looks like inside the case. Thank you for watching.